James, what is this?
Just something silly. I thought it'd been far too long since we had any silly antics on Essential RC.
So this head.
So I came across this. Yeah, this was from the Flying Man that I made 3, 4, maybe even 5 years ago now, and I came across it in the shed the other day, and I thought, I wonder where I can stick that.
Do you see the resemblance? Henry,
Does look spookily similar, like twins.
do you think it looks like me, Henry? Yeah, just a little. I thought that when I saw the picture of it.
So yeah,
It's not going to affect the CG much, do you think?
it won't affect the CG, but there's quite a lot of drag on it, so I'm wondering if it will pitch up moment, I guess. Who knows? But let's give it a go.
Okay, give it a go.
How many seconds do you reckon?
It just looks a bit unbalanced to me, but go for it, go for it. Ease up. Oh, something's fallen off.
Bits of scar.
Oh my God.
No, not at all. Horrific.
Another bit of scarf, another bit of scarf. I
Horrible.
think
In fact, it doesn't turn.
oh.
It's the worst thing I've ever flown in my life. It's horrific.
Bit windy. It's not. It's just affected by a little breeze.
Getting the hang of it.
I was just about to dive for cover. It was coming towards me.
No, that way.
On the side.
Battery died. Well, that was extremely silly, but good fun. Random.
It flew brilliantly considering.
Yeah, considering it's got a massive head on it, but I don't know. We need to find something else to do with it. Stroke him. And these are actually taxidermy fox eyes.
I didn't need to know that.
It's
Maybe
the
put some
most
hair.
realistic-
Maybe put some hair on him.
Yeah, a big wig.
Yeah,
maybe.
his scarf fell off. Henry.
Yeah, a big
Never mind.
flowing wig.
So it's a work in progress. We'll improve it for next time.